Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you a bassline I played in a video I posted 3-4 days ago. It's an African praise bassline, and a lot of people actually wanted me to break it down. So I actually did a video on this some time ago, but I just feel like redoing it, right? So it's very simple. So I'm using this key, right? So don't get confused. I actually toned down my guitar by 1, right? So don't get confused. So let me just play it very slow before I call out the note. So sorry. So that's actually what I played, right? So very simple. So let me just call out the note, right? So I started with so do mi, right? So do mi. So you're 5, 1, 3, right? So la la do di so, right? 6 6 6 8. So we can call our do here 8 or our 1 stick. So 6 6 6 8 6 8. Then 7 5, right? So do mi la do di so. That's the first line, right? Then the next line is re fa 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 la fa fa so so. Then so do mi, right? La do di so re fa 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 la fa so. Then do mi, right? Re fa 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 la fa so do mi. There's another line. Re fa 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 la fa so do mi. So la do di so re fa 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 la fa so do mi. So that's it. So 6 6 6 8 6 8 7 5 2 4 4 4 6 4 5 then 1 3, right? Sorry, I'm trying to use a number system because a lot of my American friends and followers actually understand number systems more also. So I'm just trying to just create a balance, right? Yeah, so there is it. So mi la do di so re fa 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 la fa so do mi, right? So you can start with so do mi, actually so do mi. You see? Right. So the next liner is the same thing. Then go to re di so, right? Do la re di so. Don't play the same thing. Re fa 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 la fa fa so so. Then so do, just the same thing. So we added that re fa fa la fa so so. We played it, right? Re fa 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 la fa so so. Then so do mi, right? So you see, right? So sorry, my battery is low, so let me just try and round up very fast. Right, so that's all about this particular line. So there's actually something I actually added, right? Sorry. So do re so so do re mi fa 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 mi re do di la la do re so so do re mi fa 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 mi re do di la la. Sorry. So once you're done playing that one, you will just switch back to You see it's sounding right, so it's very nice. So just try it out. Try it very slow. Try playing very slow before you get your desired tempo. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. My battery is low, as you can see. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Just in case you've not subscribed to my channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. Thank you so much. See you soon.